A to Z. A is for apple. B is for balloon. C is for cat. D is for doll. Lowercase letter E is for egg. F is for flag. G is for God. H is for hat. I is for insect. J is for jelly. K is for kite. L is for lamb. M is for monkey. N is for nose. O is for octopus. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for ring. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. W is for water. X is for xylophone. Y is for yolk. And Z is for zebra. Let's repeat, learn. Please subscribe me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I meet you next video. Bye.